Welcome to the Auto Paradise, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the automotive world. In this video, we dive into one of the most anticipated developments of the year, the 2025 RSv4. Whether you're a fan of raw performance, cutting-edge design, or advanced tech, the RSv4 promises to deliver an experience like no other. Stay tuned as we explore its features, performance capabilities, and why it's a game-changer for the automotive industry. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 RSv4 makes an unforgettable first impression with its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette. Designers have pushed boundaries, integrating aggressive lines with functional aerodynamics. The front fascia features a bold grille complemented by futuristic LED headlamps, giving the RSv4 an unmistakable presence on the road. Lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminum, dominate the chassis, resulting in both aesthetic appeal and improved performance. The rear end boasts a redefined spoiler and quad exhaust outlets, emphasizing its sporty DNA. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the RSv4 houses a newly engineered hybrid powertrain that combines a twin turbocharged V6 engine with a state-of-the-art electric motor. Together, they deliver a staggering 700 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This power is channeled through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast shifts. The RSv4 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. With an adaptive all-wheel drive system, the RSv4 excels in both straight-line speed and cornering precision, offering unmatched versatility for daily driving and track performance. Technology and features. The RSv4 is not just about raw power, it's packed with cutting-edge technology. The cockpit is dominated by a 14-inch OLED touchscreen running an updated infotainment system with RS-exclusive customization options. Enhanced voice commands and wireless integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless connectivity. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. Additionally, the RSv4 introduces a first-in-class AI driving coach, designed to optimize your driving on the track. Sustainability focus. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the RSv4 stands out by incorporating eco-friendly elements without compromising performance. The hybrid system significantly reduces emissions, while regenerative braking enhances energy efficiency. Additionally, the car's interior features sustainably sourced materials, such as recycled Alcantara and vegan leather. This demonstrates the manufacturer's commitment to blending luxury with responsibility. Pricing and availability. The 2025 RSv4 is set to hit dealerships worldwide in April, with a starting price of $120,000. Optional packages, such as the Performance Pack and Carbon Edition, can take the price north of $150,000. Early reviews suggest that the RSv4 offers exceptional value for money, considering its groundbreaking features and performance metrics. Pre-orders are already open, and demand is expected to exceed supply, so enthusiasts are encouraged to act fast. Why the RSv4 matters. The RSv4 isn't just another sports car, it's a statement of what the future holds for the automotive industry. By seamlessly blending traditional performance with innovative hybrid technology, it represents the perfect synergy of past and future. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a tech enthusiast, the RSv4 proves that you don't have to compromise. Conclusion. The 2025 RSv4 is more than just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and sustainability. With its jaw-dropping performance, state-of-the-art technology, and commitment to eco-consciousness, it's set to redefine the sports car market. Don't miss your chance to experience this revolution in motion. Thanks for watching the Auto Paradise. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 RSv4, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about the road ahead.